Let's solve this rational equation. 1 over 5x plus 1/2 equals 4 over 3x minus 1/3. And we'll go through our steps. First step is get rid of parentheses, don't have any. Second step is get rid of fractions. And we do that by multiplying everything by the LCM of all our denominators. Well, if we look at just the numbers, we got 5, 2, 3, and 3. I'll show the step over here, even though it's pretty basic. We list all the numbers down. Of course, 3 is repeated. I don't need to write that down. Now we write the prime factorization of each one down. Well, each one of these is prime, so it makes it very easy. Then for our LCM, we're looking for the greatest number of 5s appear on a single line. There's 1 here, none, none. So the greatest number of 5s on a single line is 1. Then we're looking for the greatest number of 2s on a single line. There's none, 1, none, so it'd be 1. And then greatest number of 3s on a single line, which would be 1. 5 times 2 is 10, times 3 is 30. So number-wise, we're looking at 30. Now for the x's, we're looking for the greatest number of x's in a single denominator. There's 1 here, none here, 1 here, none here. So the greatest number of x's in a single denominator is 1. So we're going to multiply everything by 30x. Multiply times the 1 over 5x. Multiply times the 1/2. Multiplied by the 4 over 3x. And multiplied by the negative 1/3. Now these x's cancel here. 5 and 30 are both divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 2 and 30 both divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 30 divided by 2 is 15. These x's cancel here. 3 and 30 both divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 30 divided by 3 is 10. And 3 and 30 both divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So we're left with 6. Oops, let me change that back to black. We got 6. And here we got 15 with an x. So plus 15x equals 10 times 4 is 40. Positive times a negative is a negative, and that gives us 10x. Step 3. Get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other side. So I'm going to take the negative 10x, move it to the left side, and take the 6 and move it to the right side. So we've got 15x plus 10x equals 40 minus 6. Now our note at the top says that any step combine like terms, combine together numbers. 15x plus 10x, 25x. And 40 minus 6 would give us 34. And double check that. Yeah, 34. I've worked that on a piece of paper. I need to go correct the key. I put down 36. Obviously I can't subtract last night. Last step. Divide both sides by the number in front of your x. Well, the number in front of our x is 25. So we'll divide both sides by 25. And these 25s are going to cancel. And we got x is equal to 34 over 25. And that's our answer. And let me go ahead and correct it on my piece of paper over here.